Next one here, Tesla is again, this one has inverted head and shoulders as well. You again, a very deconstructed one. I mean, let me get a better. Here you go. So here, bounce down, up, down, and now it's looking like it wants to break that 185. The day it breaks 185, let's see, 185 is basically the head and shoulders neck, inverted head and shoulders neckline, right? 185 to the head is at 145. So 140 points. So 185 plus 40, somewhere around 120 to 120. Yeah, sorry, 220 to 225 is what you're expecting here on Tesla for the move above 185. I'm not saying it goes up there in a single day. The number of days that it has taken for Tesla to create this inverted head and shoulders is the number of days it can take for Tesla to move to 225. That's how I kind of do my measured moves for time and price. So keep an eye out for 185. You want to be long on Tesla once 185 is broken. The trend line looks very, very solid as well. If we do see a peekaboo kind of setup here on Tesla, I'll be swinging some calls on Tesla. Tesla follows TA really, really well. I don't know why it does that, but it's a company that really it's a stock that really does. So keep an eye out for that upper trend line. Once that breaks, can see can I think the same week, once 185 is broken, I think the same week we'll see 200 being the target here on Tesla. So keep an eye out for that level to be broken, and we'll play it to the upside there.